Hey guys, this is Harrison with Explore Scientific, showing off one of our new telescopes that we have. This is the Explore Scientific 114 500mm EQ reflector. Kind of talk a little bit more what that means once we start unboxing, but I got a fresh box here. I'm going to help you all unbox, kind of tell you what all the pieces are, and we'll get into the assembly. So when you first open this thing, you're going to notice three distinct parts inside. For one, you're going to see this big piece of flat cardboard. Inside is going to be the assembly tray. There's a piece inside here. Make sure that you don't lose it. Don't forget about it. We're going to set it to the side. Underneath that are all of your accessory boxes. There should be three. And then the other two boxes are what we kind of want to care about. This long box here is going to be our tripod. And then the more rectangular box is going to be our actual Newtonian piece. This is what does all the powerhouse, what actually lets you see dark sky objects and see into the night sky. At the bottom of your package, you should find a piece of paper that says register your product now with a QR code on it. If you go ahead and scan this QR code and go through the process, it'll activate your product's extended warrants. Let's start with our OTA. As you'll see, it comes wrapped in some styrofoam, a little bit of plastic, and paper around the chassis. Just shake this out. Start with our tripod box. We go ahead and set this on the floor. We'll deal with this first. Take a look at our accessory boxes. Inside this one should be our red dot sight and a few eyepieces. There should be two. Inside this heavy box should be our counterweight and adjustment knobs. If yours comes a little bit bent, it's just rubber. Just kind of give it a little bit of a twist. You can straighten it back out. And this last box should be our counterweight assembly and counterweight rod. Now that we have all the pieces out, let's go ahead and start assembling. Here I've laid out all the parts, and fortunately, most of these pieces are already pre-assembled, so assembly shouldn't take us very long. We'll start by grabbing our tripod and setting it into position. First, extend the legs to your desired height by loosening the lock knobs. Here, I extend the legs to their full length. Make sure to tighten the lock knobs back so we can safely spread the legs apart and stand it on the ground. We'll prepare to place the Equatorial Mount by loosening the side mount attachment screw. Inside the mounting platform, there's a metal peg that needs to be pushed in so it is not in the way when placing. Place the base of the mount over the tripod's mounting platform. Then tighten by turning the mount attachment knob located under the mounting platform clockwise until just lightly tightened. Here, I like to go ahead and loosen the altitude adjustment knob so it matches your current latitude. You can find your latitude by looking at a map or Googling your current latitude at your location. This is set once and doesn't change unless you move your telescope to a different location, such as a different city north or south of you. Next, we're going to prepare to place the counterweight. We'll spin the right ascension head 180 degrees and grab our counterweight shaft to finger tighten into the threaded hole. I find this method of placing the weight after the shaft is in position is the most accessible to people. We'll remove the hex head bolt and washer from the bottom end of the shaft. Loosen the counterweight lock knob to allow the counterweight to slide onto the shaft. Then tighten the knob into position. Don't forget to screw back on the hex head bolt and washer. Next are the slow motion cables. Attach the cables to the gear shafts by orienting the cable so that the thumb screw seats in the groove of the gear shaft. Then firmly tighten the thumb screw. As shown here, the longer cable should be attached to the declination gear shaft. Now, these should be easy to twist without slipping. These are used to make slow motion adjustments that moves along with the curvature of the night sky. Now, my doppelganger, Shorthair Harrison, will show you how to install the tube. Loosen the saddle lock knob so we can lift the tube and set the dovetail mounting bar into the mount saddle as shown. When the dovetail bar is fully seated in the saddle, keep a hand firmly on the bar as you tighten the lock knob until snug. Now let's place the accessories. We'll start with the red dot sight by removing the plastic and activating its battery. On the dovetail, make sure the thumb screw is loosened and slide the bracket into position. Hold the sight steady, locking it into placement. Your telescope also comes equipped with a phone mount to utilize the full capabilities of our free stargazing app. Attach your phone with the app open to allow the gyroscope to automatically calibrate. We'll now install the accessory tray. Unscrew the locking knob from the center of the tripod leg brace. Then place the tray over the center hole and screw the locking knob back on. The accessory tray works great for storing your included 10mm and 25mm Plössl lenses, as well as any other accessories you may have. To better position the eyepiece into a more comfortable viewing angle, we can loosen the tube ring clamp knob slightly and carefully rotate the tube into the desired position. Congratulations on assembling your new telescope. Now just pop in your desired eyepiece and go out enjoying the night sky. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. Here at Explore Scientific, we stand behind our products and customer service 100%. If you need any other assistance or have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us via email or by phone. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.